Hey there, online earners! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the best ways to make money online. If you're new here, you're in for a treat, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know we always bring the best tips and tricks to help you earn effortlessly. Want to earn rewards effortlessly? Imagine turning your downtime into productive moments where you can earn real rewards just by doing something you already love, watching videos. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to make money while enjoying your favorite videos with the free app. This app is a game changer for anyone looking to make some extra cash without putting in a lot of effort. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this incredible opportunity. So let's dive right in. But before we get started, make sure you have your phone ready because you'll want to download this app immediately. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our amazing money-making methods. We're always on the lookout for the best ways to help you earn, and you don't want to miss any updates. We offer global opportunities for online earning. No matter where you are in the world, you can take advantage of these methods. Our community is diverse and spread across the globe, and we're here to help everyone succeed. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. We love tailoring our content to meet your needs, so let us know where you're from, and we'll make sure to include tips that work best for your region. Now, let's get started. Imagine if watching videos could actually pay you. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. What if watching videos could actually pay you? With the right app, this dream can become a reality. You can turn your leisure time into a money-making opportunity. Well, with TubePay, that's not just a dream, it's reality. TubePay is designed to reward you for doing what you love, watching videos. It's simple, fun, and incredibly rewarding. TubePay allows you to earn rewards just by watching videos on your phone. Whether you're into music videos, movie trailers, or educational content, TubePay has something for everyone. It's super simple. The more you watch, the more points you earn. But wait, there's more. You can accumulate points quickly and easily, and the best part is, you're getting rewarded for something you already enjoy doing. You can also get free rewards by playing the lucky number game and spinning the wheel. These fun mini-games add an extra layer of excitement and give you more chances to earn. And here's a cool tip. Invite your friends to join TubePay, and you'll earn even more rewards. The more friends you invite, the more you earn. It's a great way to boost your earnings while sharing the fun with others. It's a win-win. You get to enjoy the app with your friends, and everyone benefits from the extra rewards. Plus, it's always more fun to share these experiences with others. Now let's talk about redeeming those hard-earned points. Once you've accumulated enough points, it's time to cash out and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You can cash out with PayPal or snag some awesome Amazon gift cards. These options give you the flexibility to choose how you want to use your rewards, whether it's for shopping or direct cash. And the best part? The payout is fast and reliable. You don't have to wait long to enjoy your rewards. TubePay ensures that you get your earnings quickly and without any hassle. No more waiting around, you get your rewards quickly. This instant gratification makes the whole experience even more enjoyable and satisfying. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Your feedback is incredibly valuable to us, and we're always eager to hear about your experiences. Have you tried TubePay or any other money-making apps? What was your experience like? Did you find it easy to use? Were the rewards worth it? What was your experience like? Share your thoughts and let us know if you have any tips or tricks for maximizing your earnings. Drop a comment below and share your story. Thanks for watching. Your stories and feedback help us improve and bring you even better content. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Your support helps us grow and continue to bring you the best money-making tips. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. We have a lot of exciting content planned and you don't want to miss out. See you in the next video. Until then, happy earning and enjoy your rewards.